ancient years, me not come over here. Guys, me know you don't miss me. Me not ask. But guess what? Now, you see, over the last couple of weeks, it's been raining. When me tell you, say, raining bad, thunderstorm. So, because of that, I could get fee go live on the Sundays them. And even though I know it's not my regular live day, because me outside today, me just fish show no what go on. You understand? So walk with me. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Well, not even could I show myself, make me get to see who me a tank. Well, not even could I show myself. So did it still? Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. May I bring on to the front? To the front. And then we start. Ready to get your drinks? Then me giving the grand tour. But big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And thank you overall for supporting the channel. I can't believe when me look, my sister with the 100 and what? I think we are at 130k, 130k subscribers. I was like, what? What? Big up yourself, Black Beauty. I said, no man, uno a go on good. Uno a go on with uno self though. Big up yourself, appreciate it. Okay, are you ready for the tour? Are we ready for the tour? Yes, we are. Okay, so let me start from the front. Big up yourself, Black Beauty. I appreciate you so much, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so first of all, it is my 5th year wedding anniversary, so we're here for the weekend. Big up on ourselves. We are at Sapphire Falls Resort Universal Orlando, okay? And so far everything is nice. Now we get that drinks here, and guys, me I tell you the truth, I am not a drinker. Once you say coconut rum, that's me. Thank you. Once you say coconut rum, that's me. But even for me, this was a little bit too weak. I'm just being honest. But overall it did taste good though. So maybe more than have to add a extra shot to it. Big up yourself, Bina Thompson. So, all right. Tour. Walking, as you can see, them have the cabana here. Them have big TV in them cabana. Big screen in them cabana, guys. AC, chair, table, all of these things. Yeah. Love that. Crypto. Wagwan. Big up yourself, Bina Vass. Thank you. So, appreciate you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Johnny! So, one thing I love about here, it is huge. You know, sometimes how a lot of people have a 5 feet pool chairs when they come to the pool. Not here. Pool chairs for days. You pick, choose, and you can't refuse. And I love that. You understand? Yes, it is Samsung. I love that. And the pool chair them too, well comfortable. Well comfortable. I said, wow, this nice, see? This nice, me like it. Big up yourself. Thank you for dropping your flag. I appreciate it. Walk with me. I'm going to bring you to my pool, make you see what I want. Over here, it's giving like an island vibe, like a Caribbean vibe. And me think sometimes to even like when me I choose drinks and so, once you say anything to do with Jamaica, Once he say anything to do with Jamaica, Caribbean, I don't know. I don't need all. Me no know. Me just have to get it. Johnny, thank you. Let's go beautiful from Barbados. My grandfather has a visit village in Kingston named after. Oh, I love that, man. See? Love that. Appreciate it. Thank you for sharing that with me. Big up your grandpa. Big up your grandpa. All right. So walking to the pool, tropical climate is the best. Definitely. I agree. Now, the pool not deep. It's like just 4 feet, right? And as you can see, guys, the pool is huge. The pool big. Big. Space for everybody. 6 inches. And I think like that's the deepest it is. Thank you for the thumbs up. I'm gonna bring them down the water slide. They do have a water slide here. But basically, if you want to relax, this is the place for you, man. Right? It is a talk true, Navas. It is a vibe. Thank you. Thank you, guys. No, trust me. These lifeguards have like the best job in the world. Because, tell me, you're there, so yeah, sit down. It is 3 feet. You can't even drown. All you need to do is stand up. All you need to do is just stand up. Me nah lie. Something about the cabana them guys. It have a buzz, big TV, big screen, couch. But the service and them something there. Yeah. Vibe. Love that. Poolside doesn't matter. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, me know man, I joke me I make. But you get the idea still. Where them drinks are. I do have I think I got like the Caribbean. Where's the menu? If I see a menu, here's the menu. Let me show you what I got. I got the Island Breeze, and I didn't even catch me. Island Breeze. So it have Malibu original rum, blue curacao, pineapple juice, a float of Matral blue, and swift cognac. Yeah, that's what I'm having. Guys, a week. Me like wait, and if me I tell you say a week, you must know. Who that? Errol! Errol, big up yourself. Errol, tell me you're not easy. Me need the red fruit sweet. Errol, tell me something now. One soup you pick today? Is it a hope of one soup you pick today now? Because I notice you know pick 3, 4, and 5 options. You only can pick one. We're on a budget over here. We're on a budget and we have to be mindful. Tami, are you? I have what you call this? Beach shoes, not flip flops. Beach shoes, pool shoes, one soup. That is it. Thank you, Errol. I appreciate. I notice how you come for them the other day, because yeah, say me them for choose one. We're at Sapphire Falls Resort, Universal Studios. It is my 5-year wedding anniversary, guys. So I am out here and we're just chilling. And me I given a tour of the place. So over here, so now, ooh, they have some kids on the other side. Me not show them. You do have a jacuzzi. It look warmer, everything. And big. It look kind of spacious. So very cool. And them have a slide up here, so if you go up to the slide, hey, and we have one hole. Make we go in that hole here, go see what. Guys, we reach back out of the dungeon. We now go back under there, safe. So over here, so lobby water taxi. Yes, guys, stick and stay because later we are gonna go at a Loews party. It's gonna be like a buffet. They're gonna have a show, a dinner and a show. I'm going to try to go live and show you guys that. If I can't go live, then me I go record it and make it be a vlog on the channel. Thank you. But yeah, I'm excited for that. Thank you guys. Welcome back. Simonette! Big up yourself. Welcome. Simonette, me I give you a grand tour. Me know say on a Sunday, but because we're outside today, yes. It's my 5-year wedding anniversary. So we are celebrating. We are here. It is a vibe. Thank you for always being here. Thank you, Errol. Appreciate it. Guys, keep your notification bell turned on because me are bringing a party tonight with me. Me a party right through tonight. So, and we are going to go live and me are bringing everywhere with me today. Everywhere. Every single where. But yeah. Thank you guys, and thank you so much for supporting my channel overall. I think we're at 140k subscribers. Wow, wanna really I got odd. I appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, try with a look at 2%. Oh my god, beauty. All right, maybe I can watch the live replay because I do post all the live replays that I've done, all the places that I've been to, the live replays on the channel. So no bother, please. Please, no bother dead your battery. You can watch the live replay when me post it here. Big up yourself, beauty. I appreciate you. And see, man, big up yourself because you always a watch over about my live replay them and a comment. So thank you so much. Okay, so they do have a towel hut. Thank you, Simonette. They do have a towel hut over there, and I that me like. When you don't have to worry about your towel, you don't have to bring your towel. Them have the towel them. You understand? But you know so much beach chair them have, guys. You so much beach chair them have. You know sometimes when you got a place you have to fight for beach chair. Not here. Not here. Hey, cooking. Hola, hola, big up yourself. Not here. And thank you for thumbsing up the live. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. But yes, turn on the post notification bell because we are gonna go we are even got the Bob Marley Club. The Bob Marley Club. That's at Universal Studios. Oh, I am so excited. I've been there before COVID and I know so that them change it up a lot now. I hope it's back how it used to be. And it was really good. I did enjoy it a lot. So I definitely gonna bring on with me. Excited. All right, guys, big up on yourself, love and love alone. Thank you so much for always watching and always supporting me in everything that I do. Big up on yourself. What's so much on over here? Wow, look for people, man. Jeez. Thank you, guys. Okay, me here so them have an arcade. So, you know what? Go in our games room. In our games room, we are go. Yep. And guys, sometimes I just go live randomly. I don't have a specific time. So if you don't subscribe, just turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified when I'm live and you don't miss it instead of you watch the live replay. Because I know sometimes you like to interact with me when we are go through the things there, man. I need to make a decision on what drink to get or what food to get and help me decide. So I really appreciate the engagement, you know. Everybody active and so yeah. But inside here, I think inside here is the games room of the place and an arcade and all of that. So let us see murder what is going on, yeah. Boy, watch Mirror Man. Let me not go last in here, so people. See arcade there. It's nice. Cool, cool, cool. So we say later we'll be greater. Things are gonna sell off. Oh, guys! Right now, I feel like swimming in a Harry Potter. Look here. Jeez, this was unexpected. Me gone in a one different world. Big up yourself in a herald. Let's walk. Let's walk. Bad to bad. No, sir. Me gone in a one different world. Me don't know where me there. Wow, this nice. Guys, me don't want nobody over here talk about say me a friend. I don't want nobody say anything to me. No, me always have to bring them with me anywhere me I go down. So just in case you don't want to visit anywhere, you can always check out my live replay. Any question you want to have. All right, beauty. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, beauty. I appreciate it. And make sure to your comments so I get to see you. Ooh, what nice restaurant, man. Wow. Rotisserie chicken. Them off them good restaurant right there, so I like that. I know, right, Simonet? It is a vibe. It is a vibe. And we also are going to do a boat ride later as well. So this is where we are. Screenshot. I hope so too.
Sorry, we're closed. Gotta go that way.
Wow, busy guys, busy. No, Black Beauty, me not tell a lie. You come on. Yes, a real one. Thank you. Wait, man, everybody for pass. Guys, I don't like it players talk to me. You don't like it players? I should do one poll vote, you know, because I know I love the poll then. Let me see if I can do one poll vote. Start a poll. Wow. Rotted, guys, look there. See the boat and everything. Well, and I come here type and I write the poll vote. Bear with me. All right, poll vote ready. All right, guys. Beautiful falls. Wanna see it? Let me zoom it up. Beautiful. Full vote. Thank you for voting. Thank you, guys. Okay, so this is the waterfalls, and this is the where we are gonna come later. Figure up on a boat because the boat I gonna take with to the luau party, dinner and a show. So we're not ready to go on this like right now, but sure zoom in on the boat. Yeah. Thank you, beauty. Appreciate it. Thank you. But yeah, just I couldn't see what I go on since me there. So you understand? Thank you for the thumbs up. I win we reach at 20 likes. Thank you. Thank you so much for thumbsing up the live. I appreciate it, guys. Yo. But yeah, this is nice. I like it. First time here.
It's all right. Halfway there, I'm gonna make Michael carry the bag. Come on, Lincoln.
It is
And
different.
Lincoln. And Lincoln when he pitches.
Boat I leave out and now. Veggie. Morning.
Hold on, let these people go.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna put trophy, Bubba. One, two. Link, look at the big fish.
Boat I leave out it now. Look like it's a struggle to move, guys. But there it is. Me know it's on a blind and no worry no self.
Yeah, like that.
Yay! Radio Rock is the name of this one. We'll go on this later. Very nice. I like that. Mm. And another one coming in. Movie Magic is the name of that one. Here we go, we're back. Every time we go under the tunnel, the signal drop. Ooh, nice little plane. We are walking. Where you are. Let me know a lot of people from Jamaica or the Caribbean, but just comment where you're at. Where you at right now. This is a vibe. Beautiful view. Thank you, beauty. Thank you so much. It's so nice. And over there, so you see Universal Studios. You can see they actually do the ride right now. We're that close. Roller coaster for days. New York. Okay, stay safe out there, stay dry. The weather's been crazy lately. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Big up yourself. Right now it is 5:33. Later we will